Hi friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. Today we will learn how to crop a perspective angle image in Photoshop. Image that contain keystone distortion. Keystone distortion occurs when an object is photographed from an angle. Learn to crop in this straight shape. Before it looks like that. Let's get started. Open an angled image. Select Perspective Crop tool. Click on first point of image you want to crop. Then click on second point. Click on third point and finally click on fourth point. Click on this icon for commit current crop operation. And here you done. Now view of image is into a straight image. If you like video then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.